Hospital emergency rooms across the country are inundated with sneezing, coughing, sniffling patients. In Atlanta, Georgia, Grady Memorial Hospital opened a temporary mobile emergency room, enclosed in plastic tents, to handle a 25% increase in visits in the month of January.
The flu this year has been dangerous. Our volume in the emergency department has reached such a critical number, and not only us, but our inpatient colleagues. We really need to bring in an additional resource. The very old and the very young are the group that tend to be in the most danger from catching the flu.
It is a cesspool of flu, a cesspool of funky flu at the ER right now.
In Florida, one tired nurse posted this now viral video after working a 12-hour shift.
Watch this. I'm going to teach y'all a magic trick. It's amazing. Achoo!
Her advice is simple. Cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough, wash your hands, and avoid bringing healthy people to the emergency room. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control says the hospitalization rate for flu is at an all-time high this year, with 49 of the 50 U.S. states reporting widespread flu activity. Still, the scale of this outbreak is dwarfed by one which occurred 100 years ago this month, one of the deadliest in history. In 1918, Spanish influenza spread around the globe in the aftermath of World War I. Over a period of 2 years, it killed tens of millions of people globally, including 675,000 in the United States alone. This flu strain may not be as deadly, but the National Institute of Health is still advising Americans to get a vaccine, even though a Canadian study found it was less than 20% effective.
We should point out that even though the vaccine is less than optimal in its efficacy, that the small to moderate amount of protection you get against influenza by getting vaccinated is always better than no protection at all by not getting vaccinated. That's very clear.
With as many as 10 more weeks left to this flu season, U.S. healthcare workers are looking for all the help they can get. Kristen Salumi, Al Jazeera.